Parents, after going through this year's ACER exam with my students, almost every number pattern came down to 3 simple checks. Use them yourself for quantitative reasoning. And the problem is a lot of students I've spoken to over the years just stare at the numbers and hope the pattern clicks. Good news is, number patterns are not infinite. In the real exam, they mostly fall into a few families. Here's the order checklist my students use so they can move faster. Number 1, always start with the differences. First, check how much each term is going up or down by. Simple example, if it goes 16 to 28 to 40, differences are plus 12. Slightly trickier, if it goes 5, 8, 3, 6, then differences are plus 3, minus 5, plus 3, minus 5. So the pattern, if the differences are messy, then just go into the next step. Number 2, try multiplying/dividing, then adding/subtracting. This is the most common type that showed up this year. Ask, does each term feel like it's being multiplied or divided? Then nudged up or down. So for example, 2, 3, 5, 9, the pattern is times 2 minus 1 each time. So 2 times 2 minus 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 minus 1 equals 5. Another example with squares is 12 to 139. 12 squared is 144, then minus 5 is 139. So the rule could be square the number, then subtract by 5. Many weird patterns in quantitative this year were actually just multiply or square, then add or subtract a fixed amount. That's it. If the first 2 steps don't work, add them up as a last result. For example, if it's a 3x3 grid, add all the numbers up in each row, then each column. Often every row or column adds to the same total. Once you see the total, you can fill in the missing box. So if you're a Melbourne Year 7 to 8 selective entry parent, and you want to be on top of selective entry, click the link in my bio to book a free diagnostic assessment.